Well, happy Wednesday, my ladies and my gents, which means it's time for another wonderful episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday? And as you can see from the little bit here, I got a few kits that I picked up. And What Did You Buy Wednesday? It's hosted by our buddy Joe up there, Big Sky Model Workshop. And whole idea is stash ads. Did you get something cool online? Did you find a really good deal out on something like, oh, I don't know, a swap meet, local hobby store, whatever, and garage sale? Post them up. Let us know. You find a new supplier online, like I say, post them up. Uh, this type of thing. You got something that paintbrush 3 or 4 months ago and you didn't really say anything about it, but you find that it's actually a pretty darn good idea and post it up. Well, this comes from KOG's um, Scale Auto Auction or something. I'll have the information and a little more accurate information in the description, and probably have a little banner right up here. So anyway, what I got, this is from, the only problem I have with KOG's is the fact that she's a little slow in her shipping. But at the same point, I got these 3 kits this last week, and I'm kind of pleased with it. A little while ago, I won the Coca-Cola version of this. It's molded in red, I found out. It's one I found when I was up there in, I got glare on that one. But it's the one I found up in Denver. There we go. And but she couldn't find the kit that I won, so she offered me a couple of different of the same type, and I chose this one. And then I find out that it's got these neat things here. We can do some fun stuff here. So anyway, there's that. And I just might use this for my mom's Cinderella shop cake delivery. I just might. That is really nice. So anyway, next, picked up this guy. It's the Dodge 1980 Dodge Ram D50. Little mini pickup. It really does look like a Datsun. I cannot remember. I think it was Datsun. It's either Datsun or Isuzu had these little pickups, and they were imported, and Dodge put the nameplate on it and sold it like that. But it's got the little Japanese engine, 4-cylinder. I'll see. I've got some Mopar V8s, small block. I'm going to see if I can stick one in that. See what I can do with it. That'd be a bit fun. And then I got this little guy. Redo my lights here so I can kind of. There we go. There we go. Mazda RX-7. Box is in a little rough shape. It's sealed, but I'm willing to bet the decals aren't any good. But I got that one because why not? This could be fun. Let's see if I can see a copyright date on it. Just kind of looking over it. I haven't looked at it yet, really that closely. And yeah, 1979 for this puppy. Yeah, I think I got all of them for like $15 each on the. But anyway, that's what I got. And on that one, the Mopar that I'm looking at, of course, VCG resins. I've gotten a few of them. And so, yeah, go check out vcgresins.com. Bottom of the homepage, sign up for the newsletter if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, why not? So anyway, sign up for the newsletter, then go shopping. You're going to find some stuff you just really can't live without. And when you go to checkout, be sure and use promo code JESTER10, JESTER10. And it will save you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6, which is not bad given the price of things today. So, anyway, yeah, Josh ships on Tuesdays and Fridays. As long as you have your order in by, I think it's 3:00 Mountain Time the day before, you should get it out on the next shipping day. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. But I'm also still working. I'm working on that uh, Heller kit. I'm kind of impressed. Not a whole lot of flash on things, minimal cleanup, but the packaging lacked seriously. Um, Box is about half full, and I'm having to work a little bit on the cab because, or the body, I mean, because it was split here and here, and I've got it glued together. And now I've got it in with some glue goo to clean up after it sets thoroughly to make sure that it's the crack is filled. But yeah, the one of the side things here, it's got a spot for some chrome, and one of those cracked, and that type of thing. So yeah, but at any rate, it's something a little bit different. I do have some old lines on it. Overall, I am favorably impressed with it, even though it does require some work. But hey, I got two AMTs and a monogram. The monogram might be okay. Oh, I just saw that. That's molded in red. Well, darn. Might have to paint it black. But you know how these things go. So, anyway, I'm going to keep this one short, and I'm going to go ahead and get out of here because I want to start on the front suspension, which requires a lot of heat swaging. So, I got my handy dandy soldering iron out to do that. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. BTEX signing out.